Also the specifical, you have the net, the foam, and the main material. What you do, you can change the foam, depend of the deep, and also you have this material. You have also this like the net, the other stuff. I don't know how to say, the foam and this stuff. Or the glue in this process is the foam. The foam have specialized chemical substance to glue all materials together, and it is the best solution. Okay, the beginning on the machine, you have the winding and the welding for the textile together. It's going through the accumulator, entrance accumulator, going to the machine. Here will be the foam. The foam can be installed here. From here going the textile and the foam together in this Mahlo and ET modules to correct the textile. Then going through the flame lamination to put the textile and the foam together. Then go to out.
So we have top flaming and
under flaming.
Under flaming.
To bring three materials together. Three materials can be here together all. And then going to correction. Here after correction you're going to printing area to make printing some charge number or something like that. Here you can burn the sides to fix it, and then you go to the exit accumulator. You can also change this stuff. How it will be told in English, this stuff. And you can change it without stopping machines. The input and the output can be changed without stopping the machines. You can work continuously. Okay, and it's now, this is the exit. You have two exit, how to say, two exit places.
Okay.
When one is working, the other is prepared. Also, the same is in the input. The machine is make it continuously.